Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. Australia reopens borders for fully vaccinated Indian travelers. Fake defense consultant arrested for duping 30 people of 3.8 crore, said Delhi police. Pegasus Raw. Supreme Court appointed committee submits interim reports. Regular international flights likely to resume from March 15. Ukraine crisis figures in India-France foreign ministers talk to defuse the crisis in Ukraine. Cyrus mystery versus Tata dispute to be heard again by Supreme Court. Marriage certificate not essential to adopt child. Allahabad High Court said even a single parent can adopt a child under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956. And now some international news. US allies call for emergency UN meeting on Ukraine today. Germany said that with its decision, Russia is breaking all its promises to the world community. Putin ordered army to maintain peace in Ukraine's pro-Russian regions. NATO chief urged Russia to choose the path of diplomacy and to withdraw its more than 150,000 troops deployed to Ukraine's borders. And now some sports news. Ajax agrees 7.85 million euros compensation for Abdel Haq Nouri, who suffered brain damage after a cardiac arrest during a friendly match more than 4 years ago. Questions will be raised, Akash Chopra said on India opener's strike rate repeatedly. Legends are forever. Waqar Younis glowing praise for Wasim Akram. You have made India proud. Sachin Tendulkar congratulates our Pragnanda on beating Magnus Carlsen. These are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.